Hello everyone. Today we will see how we can use average if and average ifs function in Excel. So let's start. Average means if we want to do the average of a particular column. Okay. So to use this we have to start with equal sign, then average. I'm double clicking on it. Then I have to select the entire range. Okay, we can see the average is 20. Okay, it will include only the column, only the cell that has numbers. It will ignore the uh, blank cell or cell that has text or sign. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We can see 220 is the total and the number of the data is 11. So we know the common average formula, that is 220 is the total and 11 is the number of cells. So if we divide the total, if we divide the total by the time it happens, then we get the average. This is the traditional formula for average. So we can see by average function, it is also giving us the same data. So 20 is the average. If we want to do the average based on a particular condition, just one condition, then we have to use average if function. For example, we the only the data of the cell will be uh, considered here if we select any particular criteria from this range. Okay, for example, ping pong ball. No, we can also use the basketball data, or ping. Okay, ping. We can take now ping pong balls data. Here's ping pong ball is 12, and here ping pong ball is 12. So in this enter data, ping pong ball has appeared twice. Okay, so uh, we are starting with equal sign, then average if. So we want to do the average. Okay, for that we have to select the we have to select the entire criteria range, then comma, then I want ping pong balls. Okay, because ping pong balls is text, we have to type it within inverted comma. Ping pong balls, inverted comma, close comma, then I have to give the average range. This is our average range, then closing bracket, enter. We can see the average is 12. Here ping pong ball is 12, and here ping pong ball is 12. 12 and 12 is equal to 24, and 24, and it appeared twice. Okay, so 2. So how the average will be calculated? Total divided by number. It happens. So 12. So this is how average if works. That is the same as average, but it will work if there is one condition. Average ifs will do the same thing average if does, but it will it considers multiple conditions. For example, if here ping pong ball, though ping pong ball has appeared twice, I'm selecting this two data and coloring it to simplify. Here we can see ping pong ball appeared twice. Okay, but another criteria, that is respective order ID is 489435, and here we can see 489437. So there is two ID. Okay, so there is two criteria. So we want to do the average if the product is ping pong ball, and also if the order ID is, for example, 489435. Only this kind of data the average should be calculated. So I am again selecting this, then equal sign, average ifs. Okay, now if we always remember, if we use multiple criterias, then for we have to give the average range first, just like the sum ifs. Okay, when we used sum ifs, that is based on multiple conditions, then first of all we have to give the sum range or average range first. Here we are doing average ifs, so we have to do the average ifs average range first, then comma, then we have to give the first criteria range, comma, and then give the criteria name, ping pong balls. So criteria name is done, comma, then I have to give the another criteria range, and then comma, I have to give the another criteria, that is 48949489435. Okay, because this is a number, we are not giving inverted comma, closing bracket, enter. So we can see only 12 is given, because uh, here we have two conditions, that is the product must be ping pong balls and the order id must be 489435. So only one data meets our two, both of the criterias, so this is not included here. So this data, that only there is one number, that is 12, and it appeared only once, so 1. So how the average will be calculated? 12 divided by number it happens, so 12. So this is how average ifs work. That's all for today. Thank you very much.